Good morning, Chloe. You are finally here.
Good morning, Joe. Sorry, I am late. I ran all the way from my house.
It is okay. The bus is not here yet. Take a deep breath.
Okay, I am better now. Do you have the tickets?
Yes, look, I have them on my phone.
Perfect. I was worried you might forget them.
I never forget the important things, Chloe. Did you bring your scarf?
Of course, look at it. It is blue and white. Our team colors.
Nice. I'm wearing my lucky shirt under my jacket.
Is it the old shirt with the hole in it?
Hey, it is not old. It is vintage. And we win when I wear it.
Okay, I believe you. It is a bit cold this morning.
Yes. Put your jacket on properly. The wind is strong.
Look, Joe, the bus is coming.
Finally. Let's get on before it gets too crowded.
Ugh, this step is high. Okay, I'm on.
Let's sit in the back. There are two empty seats.
Good idea. It feels good to sit down.
Are you excited about the match?
I am very nervous, Joe. We are playing against the best team.
Don't worry. Our team is playing well this season.
I hope so. Who is our striker today?
It is Mike. He scored 2 goals last week.
That is good news. Excuse me.
Bless you. Do you have a tissue?
Yes, thank you. Blows nose. I think I have a small cold.
You need some hot tea at the stadium.
Yes, tea and a hot dog. That is the best match day food.
Oh no. Did you hear that?
Yes, your stomach is very loud.
I skipped breakfast. I'm so hungry.
We are almost there. Look out the window.
Wow. There are so many people in the streets.
Everyone is wearing blue and white. It looks amazing.
I love the atmosphere on match day. It is special.
Me too. It makes me feel happy.
Okay, the bus is stopping. Let's go, Chloe.
After you, Joe. Don't fall.
Very funny.
Yoo-hoo! We made it. The stadium looks huge today.
It is the biggest stadium in the city.
Where is Gate 5? Our tickets say Gate 5.
I think it is to the left. Follow me.
There is a long line. Oh, groan. We have to wait.
It is moving fast. Don't worry.
I hope we get inside before the kickoff.
We have 20 minutes. Plenty of time.
Look at that man over there. He's painting his face blue.
Wow, that is real dedication. Okay, it's our turn.
Here is my bag for the security check.
And here is my phone for the ticket scan.
It worked. We're inside.
Let's find our seats. Section B, row 10.
I see the sign. We have to go up these stairs.
There are so many stairs.
Come on, Joe. You need to exercise more.
I'm coming.
Look at the field. The grass is so green.
It looks perfect. The players are warming up.
I see Mike. He is kicking the ball.
He looks ready.
Here are our seats, seat 4 and seat 5.
Great view. We are right in the middle.
I am so happy we are here, Joe.
Me too, Chloe. This is going to be a great game.
I'm getting warm now. The excitement is helping.
The stadium is filling up. Listen to the noise.
Let's go, team.
The announcer is starting.
It's almost time. My heart is beating fast.
Stay calm. We're going to win.
I hope you are right.
Trust me and trust my lucky shirt.
Okay, I trust the shirt.
Here come the players.
Yoo-hoo! Look at them.
They look confident.
The referee has the ball.
Are you ready, Chloe?
I was born ready, Joe.
Then let the game begin.
The game has started.
Look, they are attacking already.
Pass the ball. Pass it to the right.
Good pass. Run, Mike, run.
Oh, he almost scored.
That was so close. The goalkeeper touched it.
My heart stopped for a second.
The other team is strong. They're very fast.
Yes, look at number 7. He is dangerous.
Watch out, he has the ball.
Defend. Stop him.
Oh, no, he passed our defender.
No, no, no. I can't look.
He missed. He kicked it over the goal.
Really? Oh, thank goodness.
That was scary. We need to wake up.
Come on, blue team. You can do it.
The crowd is singing now. Listen.
It sounds beautiful. I love this song.
Sing with them, Chloe.
We are the champions. We are the best.
You have a terrible voice.
Hey, I am singing with passion.
I know, I'm just teasing.
Look, the referee stopped the game. Why?
I think it was a foul. Number 4 pushed our player.
That is not fair. Hey, referee, open your eyes.
Calm down, Chloe. It is just a free kick.
I hate when they play dirty.
It is part of the game.
The game is slowing down a bit.
It is almost halftime. Are you hungry?
Yes, I need that hot dog now.
Okay, that is halftime. 0-0.
Let's go quickly before the line is too long.
Follow me. I know a shortcut to the food stand.
You always know the shortcuts.
2 hot dogs and 2 teas, please. Careful. It is hot.
Do you think we will score?
Yes. Mike will score. I can feel it.
I hope so. A draw is boring.
Let's go back to our seats.
Okay. This mustard is spicy.
Drink some water.
I'm okay now. Look, the players are back.
The second half is starting.
Let's go. Win this game.
The other team looks tired.
Good. We need to run faster than them.
Mike has the ball again.
Go, Mike. Shoot.
Not yet. He is waiting.
Pass it now.
He passed it to Sam. Sam is open.
Shoot, Sam. Shoot.
2. He hit the post.
Ugh. I cannot believe it. So unlucky.
We are playing much better now.
Yes, we are attacking more.
There are only 5 minutes left.
I'm so nervous. My hands are shaking.
Watch out. Corner kick for us.
Everyone is standing up. Let's stand up, Joe.
Okay, this is our chance.
Please, please, please.
The ball is in the air.
Mike jumps.
Goal!
Yes, he scored.
I told you, I told you.
Oh my God, that was amazing.
Look at the celebration.
We are winning 1-0.
There is only 1 minute left.
Defend! Just defend.
Clear the ball. Get it out.
It's over! We won!
What a game! Give me a high five.
High five! We did it.
That was the best match of the season.
I'm so happy. Your vintage shirt really works.
See? Never doubt the shirt.
I'm exhausted now.
Me too. All that screaming is tiring.
But it was worth it.
Absolutely. Let's go home.
Can we get the bus? My legs hurt.
Yes, we can get the bus.
Thank you for inviting me, Joe.
It is always fun with you, Chloe.
Next week again?
You bet. Next week again.
I am going to sleep well tonight.
Goodbye, Stadium. See you next time.
Goodbye. What a perfect day.